Good morning, students. Whenever you want any leave, you write an application to your principal. So, today we are going to discuss the application writing. And there is the application writing leave for 2 days is there in your class. So, the leave for 2 days may be for any marriage leave, it may be for sick leave, it may be any urgent piece of work. So today we are going to discuss application writing, and in your class the topic is application for 2 days leave. So first of all, let us discuss if we have to write the sick leave, then how we will write. See, it is there very much on your screen. First of all, the principal, then name of the school Rishikul Vidyapeeth, then city Sonipat, and date. Date will be the same on which date we are writing the application. So just as I have written the date 5 May 21. Then we have to write the subject. Subject means why we are writing the application. What is the main topic? What is the main heading for that? And the heading is leave for 2 days. Then we have to give the salutation. It may be sir, it may be ma'am, both are correct. So we have given the salutation ma'am. Then with due respect, I want to state that I am a student of class 5th. It may be Olive, Bluebell or Iris. Any class student, whatever your class is there, you will write the same. 5th is not written here, so you will write 5th also. 5th Olive, 5th Bluebell or 5th Iris in your school. Then I am suffering from fever. The doctor has advised me to take rest for 2 days. So the rest has been prescribed by the doctor. So you have to take the rest. Therefore you are writing the application. So kindly grant me leave for 2 days. And we have written the dates also for which you want the leave. So see here, it is 5 May and 6 May. The dates I have mentioned. Otherwise it is obvious on which date you are writing the application, the same day and the next day. Then thanking you, yours sincerely. You will write any name. It may be the name of boy or it may be the name of the girl. Then your section and your roll number. So in this way you have to write the application when you want to write for sick leave. Clear? Now see the next one. One more I have written for you people. See. This is the application for 2 days leave and it is marriage leave. Suppose you have to attend any marriage and you want leave for 2 days. Then first of all, it should be the heading. The same way you have to write the principal, then name of the school Rishikul Vidyapeeth, or whatever the school is there you will write the same. Then the name of the city, date and subject. Leave for 2 days because we are concentrating on the same topic, leave for 2 days. It may be the leave for 3 days also, 4 days also. In this way you can write the same. Then the next one is sir or madam. Any salutation you can give. Then same starting as we have done in sick leave. With due respect, I want to state that I am a student of class 5th Olive, Bluebell or Iris. It may be any section, so it's your choice what you want to write as per your section in your school. I have to go to Delhi to attend the marriage of my cousin. So as we are writing the marriage leave, so we have to tell that we are going to attend the marriage of my cousin. So I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me leave for 2 days, and you can mention the days if you want. Today and the next day. Dates also you can mention only. Then the same, thanking you, yours obediently, the name of any boy or girl. You can write your name also. You can write the name that is given in the application. Sometimes the names have been given and you have to write the same. So in this way you have to write, then your class, section and your roll number. So in this way we have seen two applications. It is marriage leave and one was sick leave. In the same way we can write the application for urgent piece of work. Means I have an urgent piece of work at home, so I cannot come to school. The same way you will also follow there. The same principle, Rishikul Vidyapeeth, Sonipat, date, subject. But in place of the marriage, you will say that I have an urgent piece of work at home. Just as ma'am, with due respect, I want to state that I am a student of class 5th in your school. I have to go to Delhi to attend the marriage of my cousin. It is written in that application. What will you write? I have an urgent piece of work at home, so I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me leave for 2 days only. Thanking you, yours obediently, Mohit, Mohika, any name you can write, then your class and section and your roll number. So in this way you can write the leave for application for leave. So it is your homework that you will write these both applications in your English notebook, and the third one, urgent piece of work, you will write in your revision notebook. You will make a practice that how you have to write. So the reason may be any. It is not necessary only these reasons are there. So the reason may be any for writing the leave application. So you have to give that particular reason for the leave and you have to ask for the leave. So I hope you all will understand and you write these applications in your notebook. So bye for today. Bye students.